Hello everyone, welcome to Barsa coaching classes. Today is 18 April and we see GK refresher questions. First question, the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize was A. C.V. Raman, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Amartya Sen, D. Kailash Satyarthi. Correct is B. Rabindranath Tagore. Next question, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Sarojini Naidu, Pratibha Patil, Indira Gandhi, Sucheta Kirpilani. Correct answer C. Indira Gandhi. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with fundamental duties? A. Article 51A, Article 32, Article 14, Article 21. Correct answer is A. 51A. Who discovered the sea route to India? A. Marco Polo, B. Christopher Columbus, C. Vasco da Gama, D. Ferdinand Magellan. Correct answer is C. Vasco da Gama. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Ganga, D. Brahmaputra. Correct answer is C. Ganga. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? Correct option 1757, B 1857, C 1761, D 1775. Correct answer is A 1757. Which Indian state has the highest population? A. Maharashtra, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. West Bengal. Correct answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Which is the highest civilian award in India? A. Padam Shri, B. Padam Bhushan, C. Padam Vibhushan, D. Bharat Ratna. Answer is D. Bharat Ratna. Which city is called the Silicon Valley of India? Option A. Pune, B. Hyderabad, C. Bangalore, D. Chennai. Answer is C. Bangalore. 10th. The headquarters of RBI is located in option A. Delhi, option B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. Which Indian leader is known as Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct answer is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Quit India movement was launched in option A 1930, B 1942, C 1947, D 1920. Correct answer is B 1942. Which Indian missile is known as Agni? A. Submarine launched missile, B. Air to air missile, C. Surface to surface missile, D. Anti-tank missile. Correct answer is C. Surface to surface missile. India's first satellite was named INSAT, B. Bhaskar, C. Aryabhat, D. Rohini. Correct answer is Aryabhat. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna, B. Kaveri, C. Godavari, D. Mahanadi. Correct answer is Kaveri. The term GDP stands for A. Gross Domestic Price, B. General Domestic Product, C. Gross Domestic Product, D. Generated Domestic Price. Correct answer is C. Gross Domestic Product. Who appoints the Chief Minister in state? A. Prime Minister, B. Chief Justice, C. Governor, D. Prime Minister President. Correct answer is Governor. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? A. Right to equality, B. Right to vote, C. Right to freedom, D. Right to constitutional remedies. Correct answer is B. Right to vote. Which gas is the most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Option A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is C, nitrogen. 20th question. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Jahangir, D. Aurangzeb. Correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. And today is 18 April. We will see what are important events in history for 18th April. First, 1853, India's first passenger train ran from Mumbai to Thane, marking the birth of Indian Railway. Next, in 1990, Mahatma Gandhi announced a nationwide Satyagraha movement against the Rowlatt Act. In 1955, Jawaharlal Nehru attended the first Asian African Conference in Bandung, Indonesia. In 1971, India launched its first satellite, Aryabhat, beginning its space journey. In 2008, Indian Parliament passed the Unorganized Workers Social Security Act. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.